Hey, if you want to know how to make $100 to $300 a day online by simply typing, you better check this video out because I'm giving you all the details and the juicy stuff next.
Alright, so the first website I want to share with you guys, it's called Rev.com. Rev.com is a transcription service website where a lot of individuals and business owners go on every single day to get transcription services for them. You can start making money from this website by becoming a freelancer for the website. Website has individuals and clients coming to them, so you simply provide the services for those clients and start making money for yourself. What you can do is go to ref.com/freelancers. It's going to take you to a page similar to the page I'm on right now. You can get started by filling out basic information here, your name, your email address, and a couple other pieces of information to get started. You're going to have to pass an entrance test to make sure you're a good fit for the platform. The good thing about the platform is they pay you on a weekly basis, so you don't have to wait for your paycheck. I'm going to scroll up and I'll let you know how much you can get paid by providing services for this platform. If you provide transcription services, you can get paid 24 cents on a minimum scale, up to 90 cents on a higher scale per audio or video minute. If you provide caption services for that platform, you can get paid 45 cents on a minimum scale, up to 75 cents on a higher scale per audio or video minute. Another service you can provide for the company, if you do know a foreign language, you can translate for the company and you get a $1.50 up to $3 per audio or video minute. Again, the website is called web.com/freelancers. This is the first website you want to check out if you want to make $100 to $300 a day online.
The second website I want to show you guys is called transcribeme.com. This is again a transcription service website similar to ref.com, but on this website again it's for beginners to intermediate transcribers. You go on to transcribeme.com, you click on join as a transcriptionist. It's gonna take you to a page similar to the page I'm on right now. You can join the platform by simply clicking join our team. But before doing that, I'm just going to show you how much money you can actually make on this platform. Well, I'm going to scroll up. It says they pay you between $15 to $22 an hour per audio hour, and the monthly earning, top earning is $2,200 a month, and average earning is $250. And if you specialize in medical and legal transcriptions, they pay you a lot more than normal transcriptions. Again, you can get signed up by clicking join button here. It's not that bad actually earning 250 a month if you're working part time and only few hours a week or a month. You can get signed up going to transcribeme.com, clicking on join as a transcriptionist, and clicking on join our team. You're gonna have to fill out the application and a small test to get approved to work for this platform. This platform again is gonna pay you using PayPal, so you don't have to worry about the monthly payments. The third platform I want to show you guys is 1-888-typeitup.com. This platform is mostly for intermediate to high end or advanced transcribers. You can get signed up by going to 1-888-typeitup.com. You need to click on jobs here on the bottom at the bottom of the screen. It's going to take you to a page similar to the one I'm on right now. Just want to let you know, guys, since they're looking for a little higher advanced transcribers, they do pay a lot more than rev.com and transcribeme.com. So if you're just starting out, you need to build up your portfolio by working for rev.com and transcribeme.com and get signed up for 1-888 Type It Up to make a little more money than Rev and Transcribe Me. I'm gonna scroll up. I'm gonna show you how much they pay on on um and on hourly basis. They pay between $60 and up to $120 per audio hour, which is a lot more than Rev.com and TranscribeMe.com. So that comes up to dollar to $2 per audio or video minute. I'm sorry, this pop-up came up. And then also they do have an entrance test fee. So rep.com and transcribeme.com, you don't need to pay anything to write the entrance test, but entrance test for 1-888 Type It Up that you have to pay one time fee of $39, and that's non-refundable. Again, they're looking for quality people, they have quality clients, and if you have a good portfolio for transcription services, then this is a platform you want to check out. Another good thing about 1-888-typeitup.com is even if you don't have PayPal in your country, they can pay you via different payment methods. So you don't have to have a PayPal, you can be anywhere in the world working for this website and making a lot of money on a daily and weekly and monthly basis. Again, this website also pays you on a weekly basis, so you don't have to worry about getting your paycheck. So the three websites I showed you today are: the first is rev.com. You can get signed up by going to rev.com, scrolling to the bottom of the page, and clicking on freelancers. The second website I showed you guys is transcribeme.com. You can get signed up by going to transcribeme.com, clicking on join as transcriptionist. And the third website I showed you guys is 1-888-typeitup.com. You can get signed up by going onto this website and then clicking on jobs at the bottom of the screen. Like everything in life, making money online takes effort and work and time. So you gotta be willing to put in time to make that money online. What I suggest is you need to build a business online for you to not have to create that time, hours for the money that you're making online. I'm going to be leaving my best recommendation for the training and education to build the business online. This is by far the best training I've ever learned and that I've ever seen online that's actually going to work for you. I'm leaving the link below, the first link in the description. Check that link out. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you want me to make any topic, if you have any questions for the next video, or if you want me to make a video about anything, leave that in the comments down below. I read all the comments and I'll reply back. Alright, cool. I'll see you in the next video.